Zinc is an essential mineral for the human body. It helps stimulate the activity of at least 100 different enzymes in the body. Zinc can be naturally found in many different foods, but our body can't produce or store it. Because of that, adding zinc-rich foods in your diet or taking zinc supplements is vital. Today we will share 5 reasons why you need zinc and the best zinc supplement you can buy. Watch till the end and share with your family and friends. The best zinc supplement you can buy. Zinc sulfate liquid supplement. Zinc sulfate liquid supplements can help boost your immune system and support a healthy digestion. It has a robust antioxidant that stabilizes your blood sugar levels and help keep your skin, eyes, and heart healthy. This glycerin-based extract will not only be absorbed into your body faster, but it is also more soluble than capsules, so that you will get more of the vitamin into your system as well. Vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and does not contain any sugar, artificial colors, or flavors. Zinc sulfate liquid supplements can be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Order from the description link below. 5 reasons why you need zinc. Zinc keeps your immune system strong. Zinc helps keep your immune system strong. Zinc is necessary for immune cell function and cell signaling because a deficiency can lead to a weakened immune response. Zinc supplements stimulate particular immune cells and reduce oxidative stress. Treat acne. According to dermatologists, oral and topical zinc can be helpful against acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Zinc is a promising alternative to other acne treatments owing to its low cost, efficacy, and lack of systemic side effect. Improve your memory. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease results in progressive memory loss. Those who age 65 and older are at highest risk. Zinc plays an important role in brain health. It helps in regulating neurons communicating with one another. When deficient, a person may have difficulty remembering things. Treat common cold. Zinc was found to shorten the duration of common cold episodes by up to 40% in studies. Researchers also found that taking zinc supplements is beneficial in reducing the duration and severity of the common cold in people when taken within 24 hours of onset of symptoms. Reduce risk for depression. Depression affects millions of people worldwide. Studies have shown those with depression are more likely to have lower levels of zinc in their blood. The same study also showed that zinc replacement can be helpful in treating and reducing depressive disorders.